In today's fast-changing world, the term business holds endless opportunities. Whether you are an entrepreneur with a new idea, a student thinking about future careers, or an investor looking for good opportunities, knowing what a business is and what makes it successful is crucial. So what exactly is a business, and what are its main features? Let's break it down and see what makes a business thrive. Hello students, in this video, let us discuss the meaning of a business and its key aspects. This video is divided into 6 parts. 1. Meaning of a business. 2. Key features of a business. 3. Common legal structures. 4. Common goals of a business. 5. Keys to business success. 6. Popular business models. Now let's understand the meaning of the term business. At its core, a business is an organization or enterprising entity engaged in commercial, industrial, or professional activities. Businesses can be for-profit entities or non-profit organizations operating to fulfill a charitable mission or further a social cause. The primary objective of a business, especially a for-profit one, is to provide goods or services to consumers in exchange for monetary gain. Here are the top 10 features of a business. Profit, motive, goods and services production, customer orientation, risk and uncertainty, continuous activity, economic activity, organization and structure, legal entity, resource utilization, dynamic and adaptable. Common legal structures. Businesses can take many legal forms. For example, a business could be a small neighborhood store where people buy groceries or other items they need. It could also be a big company that manufactures cars or electronic devices. Even online platforms that sell products or offer services, like e-commerce websites or streaming services, are considered businesses. Here are the common legal structures: sole proprietorship, partnership, private limited company, public limited company, cooperatives, and non-profit organizations. Common goals of a business. The main goal of a business is to be successful and make a profit. Profit is the money left over after all the expenses, like rent, salaries, and materials, are paid. This profit is what helps the business grow, create more job opportunities, and invest in new products or services. However, apart from revenue and profit, here are the key goals of a business. Innovate new products/services, expand market reach and market share, improve customer satisfaction, boost brand recognition, optimize operational efficiency, foster employee development, improve sustainability practices, enhance customer loyalty. Key business functions. Running a business involves various activities such as planning, goal setting, marketing, managing finances and human resources, and making important decisions. It requires skills like communication, problem solving, and leadership. Businesses have many opportunities and also face risks/threats. Keys to business success. A successful business is not merely defined by profitability, but also by its ability to sustain and grow over time. Here are some key factors contributing to business success: clear vision and mission, customer focus, innovation, efficient management, financial acumen, adaptability, strong branding. A few popular business models: joint venture, franchise, strategic alliance, subscription, e-commerce, direct sales, freemium, marketplace, agency, licensing, rental. Understanding what a business is and how it works is important because it helps us become aware of the economic world around us. It also shows us how entrepreneurs and companies contribute to the economy by creating jobs, generating income, and providing us with the goods and services we rely on in our daily lives. Students, please check the description below for the quiz link. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on business management.